This is Mr. Rahul Hunkadas, Assistant Professor and Workshop Superintendent from NB Navle, Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solapur. I am having more than 12 years of teaching experience and specialization in mechanical design engineering. Today, we are going to discuss a very important topic of IC engine, that is a combustion in SI engines. To understand the combustion in SI engines concept, we must have to understand first the meaning of combustion. We know inside the engine cylinder there is always a mixture of air and fuel. It may be a petrol engine, it may be a diesel engine. Now, what do you mean by the combustion process? Combustion process is nothing but the burning of air and fuel mixture along with the oxygen which present in the air itself, and whatever heat is generated inside the engine cylinder, that is nothing but called as the output of the process of combustion. This will happen in petrol engine and this will happen in the diesel engine. Now there are two basic types of the combustion process. One is a normal combustion and another one is abnormal combustion. Now first of all we are going to understand the meaning of normal combustion process. Now on your screen here we have the four conceptual diagram. It shows the cylinder and piston arrangement along with the spark plug. Let us consider in the first diagram when at the end of the compression stroke, spark plug provides the spark and piston is moving from bottom dead center to the top dead center. And at the end of the compression stroke, spark plug provides the spark which leaves behind a thin blue color flame. The flame is nothing but when we are going to burn the candle, it leaves behind a blue color flame. Similarly, here after spark plug provides the spark, it leaves behind a thin flame. In the second diagram, you can understand as the flame will move forward, the amount of air fuel mixture or the charge which is present inside the combustion chamber, it will start to burn because of it will get contacted with this flame. Similarly, again in the third diagram, the flame will move forward, the number of volume which is present inside this combustion chamber, it will get start to burn, and similarly the flame will move forward, it will occupy the whole space inside the combustion chamber, and the complete combustion or the complete burning of the air fuel mixture will takes place inside the engine cylinder. This is called a complete combustion process or a normal combustion process. Also, with the help of this pressure versus crank angle diagram, we can understand this particular concept. Now, during the compression process, piston which is moving from bottom dead center to top dead center, that time the crank rotates from 0 to 180 degree, which shows with the help of this horizontal line, and vertical line, this shows the rise in the pressure inside the charge of air and fuel. Process A to B, this shows the compression process. During this process, piston is moving from bottom dead center to the top dead center, which shows with the help of the line AB, and there is a gradual rise in the pressure. Similarly, at the end of the compression stroke, at the point B, spark plug provides the spark. Tremendous pressure rise takes place because of the heat generated by the spark plug. This represents the pressure rise process B to C. And after this one, again the process of power stroke or expansion will start. Piston which is moving from top dead center to the bottom dead center, this is called expansion process. That time the crankshaft is moving from 180 degree to 360 degree, and finally during the exhaust process, piston which is moving from bottom dead to top dead center. During this process, with the help of this diagram, we can understand the pressure rise during the process of heat addition takes place because of the spark plug provides the spark, that is during B to C. This is the ideal concept, this is the theoretical concept, but this is not fully applicable to the actual engine. There will be a incomplete combustion takes place. Why it is happen, we'll understand in the next video. Thanks for the watching this video.